It was always 101% from people.
The rally in itself has been going since 2010.
On the first ever WRC Rally Estonia, we do indeed.
What is he going to pull this weekend? What kind of surprise could we see?
So here is our world champion. Every point is precious now. But great to see some of Estonia's rally fans being able to get out there.
Oh, we're in the field.
Whoa! Closing on the finish line now.
Such a complex work. Do not panic.
It's all under control.
He is our rally leader. He knows how to win here.
Great job done.
They're targeting us right now.
Flying finish in front of his home fans.